Hi guys, how are you? So I got an Amazon box, and while it's not everything that I ordered, it is a lot of what I ordered. So I wanted to do a share of some fun goodies. So I just started using the Arteza, what did I get? I got the 14 bottle version of the Arteza paints, and I just love them. I can't even begin to tell you how much I love them. So I bought the 60. Yay! So I'm very excited. Actually, let's open this. I'm really excited. I don't even know what, I mean, the box is small compared to the other box, so hopefully they have a larger version. Oh, look at all the colors. I can't wait. Okay, so they come in like these size tubes compared to the, what did I do with the other one? Oh, it's underneath. I'm not going to pull it out. They're like little, they're bigger versions of it, but that's okay because a little goes a long way with these, and I cannot wait to get into painting with those. I'm very, very excited. So I also got the larger size of these. This is, does it even tell me? No, it just says 2-pack. I think these are 10 inch. I got the smaller ones thinking that they were bigger, and they're great sizes, but now I got the larger size. They're a 10-pack, pretty cheap. Excited to, I gotta figure out where I'm putting that. Okay, so then now I've been getting into alcohol inks and having a lot of fun doing that. So I did decide to invest in a few things. One, I got this Arteza 4-pack water brush. I got some Yupo paper. This is 9x12, and I just want to see what this craze is all about. I mean, a lot of people say you could do photo paper, but I'm gonna try it on what the recommendation is and then go from there. I also got these 15 milliliter needle nose bottles because especially with the pinata inks, I actually don't have any Ranger. I need to get them when they're on sale, but the pinata paints are really, really dark, so a lot of people put them in here with some alcohol. And then I also bought, but it's not here yet, the pinata extender, so to put that in these as well. So once I get that, then I'll start. Oh, the bag broke. So not that I really care about the bag, the container. See if I can fix that. But anyway, so that is the new product arrival today. What else did I got? I got a few other things that I didn't do a reveal on. Let's see. I know that I got okay. I got the new pinata exciter pack, but with the halo and jewel colors. They're very thick. They're very, 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 very thick. So I'm just learning to play with those. I don't remember anything else that I got. I think that's it. So thank you very much for watching. I'll probably just have this on the beginning of another video. Bye. Hi guys, how are you? I got some packages, so I wanted to open them and share with you. I will put links for where I got everything. So I got this on Amazon. It's the Jacquard color extender. It comes with these couple little needle nose, which actually I didn't even know those were in there. So much for reading everything. So 3 needle nose applicators, and then these blending tools, which I got a whole bunch of these, and I'm not really sure what to do with them yet. So that is one. Here is another one. I think I got this on Amazon also, even though it says Scrapbook Pal. I have no idea where I found this. I'll find this. And I got the Copic refills, and the color, I know it's a blue. It doesn't say what color is on here. Oh, does it say? It says B79. But I want to try these. I didn't want to like invest in a bunch of them. I just wanted to try what this looks like when you use it. So the other thing I got, which somebody on one of the Facebook groups posted about joggers.com, and they were having the Marabu alcoholic ink sale. So I wanted to, actually let me take this out for a second. I wanted to, it was like half price. It was like originally like $112, and I got it for $58.35, but it was packed so cute. Like it was all packed inside this adorable like tissue paper. Like they really took some time to pack it, and I'm very excited about that. And it came, so this is the pack, and I'm gonna open this up on camera. Look at all those colors. And then I also got this Marabu, same company. This is the alcohol inks, and this is a graphite watercolor ink set, and I was curious about that. And then they threw in these alcohol ink art panels, or panel, 4x6, which was really cute. It was really nice. So I'm excited about that. Let's open this. Because I was really interested with this. Oh, it comes with a little paintbrush. You know, I really shouldn't shop at night. I take my sleeping pill and then I go shopping. It's not good. So it includes, looks like a black, and it's called Aqua ink. I don't know if that's backwards. Aqua ink. So I'm curious to see what this, and watercolor ink. So there's a green, there looks like a magenta, a blue. Oh look, the colors are on here. Magenta, mint, black, cyan, vermelho. I guess that's like a mix between an orange and a red. And then lemon. Very cool. Very cool. I'm excited to see what that does. Now, yay! Put my brush away. Let's open this. There's 28 inks in here. And for $58, I think that's pretty good. And I read that these are like uber concentrated. So, somebody, one of the YouTube people that I watch, had them in these bottles. And I think I just bought a package of these somewhere. Or I wanted to buy a package. There was like a big package. And I kind of remember seeing the bag. And now, of course, I don't know what I did with it. Oh, yes. Here. I do have it. So she puts a couple drops of the alcohol inks in these with alcohol, and then she puts this color extender in it so the alcohol inks don't break down. So I'm not going to do anything until I rewatch her video, and I'll put the link there. But that's what she uses. She said these are like really, really, really concentrated. So what we can do is let's take a couple out. I gotta put these away in my package. Let's see, this is agave. That sounds nice. This is amethyst. Apple. Aqua green, like that one. Arctic. Anything in blue I like. All right, let's try a couple of these. Because I gotta put all these away. Let's get rid of the garbage. I like that bag. I'm gonna keep the bag. Hi guys, how are you? It has been a really long time since I have done anything. My photography season has started. So this year alone for the paper, I'm shooting 15 summer football practices for their Let's Get Ready for Football advertisement. So that's pretty much, you know, after work, weekends, it's crazy. So I have not had any time to create, which, boo-hoo, I'm very upset about. But I did get some exciting organizational things. So I wanted to show you that, okay? I'll put the link in the YouTube page, but this, I have two of these. This is my alcohol inks and acrylic inks organizer. I think you could see them both. So I just got a few things from Michael's. I was able to use if you did it online, a 40% off coupon for everything in the cart. So I took advantage of that. So I'm in love with these Brie Reese alcohol inks. So I got the two pack, some colors that I didn't have. So here's all my Brie Reese colors. So now I'll probably screw around with some of these. So the greens are together and the reds are together and the blues are together. That is a blue. That is a crimson. There we go. That is a blue. And these are reds. And I just love these. Now, I bought these for, I got the Dick Blick, was having a sale. So I stocked up on a few of those. So I got their silver, which you gotta shake really good. Like all the stuff is in the bottom. See that line? So I didn't even open these. So I got silver. I got copper. Oh, this one has a little thing. That one doesn't. So that one mixes up. I got rich gold, which I am pretty much, where's my rich gold? This is my rich gold. There's like hardly any in there. But these are too thick to go in this. So I don't want to break them. So I'm going to have to get something that's a little wider for these big ones. And I got Baja Blue, which I use a lot. And then I got the color extender, which I'm not 100% what to do with that. That doesn't fit in there, yeah. Okay, so I got those excited. I got a lot of new things that I have not done an unveiling. So I'll see if I can pull out some of the stuff. The other two things that I got from Michael's were these 8x8, the hard canvases, and then I got a set of 10x10s. Here's another thing that I did. Sorry for that. I put shelves up here. So I have, you know, this is all my paint, which I also hung my very active colors here. That way, like if I'm reaching in the back, I don't end up spilling all the other ones. I was going to hang them all up, and then I'm like, there's no need. So, oh, I did get these because I've been doing a lot of alcohol inks. So I got the UV resistance clear, the clear glaze, and the caramel finish. And as far as the order of what you do, I'm going to have to rewatch those YouTube pages. A lot of people recommend different things. Those three seem to be the regular ones. So I'm going to leave that. So that was an exciting thing because now I feel very, very organized. And all my little cupboards are either full with different things or they are empty. And that doesn't mean that I need to buy them, because I am finding right now that I'm starting to do that thing that I do when I start creating art and I feel like, oh, I love alcohol inks. Let me buy every color, which is exactly what happened. The only positive thing that I will hold on to is the fact that I'm not even remotely close to paying full price. Jerry's Arteza and Blix were having sales, so I kind of stocked up a little, but it's time to call it. So here are some of my alcohol ink pieces. They're all very busy. This is the one before I realized you can't heat it. But those wooden boards that I got, you could put a soft gel on it and it should, for the most part, hold down. From what I'm hearing, let's say that. This is, which is much cheaper because that Yupo paper is crazy expensive, that somebody recommended these Creology. They're actually poster boards. Oh, no, I don't know if that's going to be backwards or not, so I apologize. They are, it's clear transparent plastic. It's huge. It does not have, oh yeah, this is rolled up, 22 by 28 size. And I love them. I love them. So what I did was I cut it up into not very good cutting pieces, but this was like for me to learn alcohol ink. So here's one, and as you could see, a slant. Like this is okay, this okay. But at the end of the day, I already kind of had something in mind where I was going to like take the best piece and adhere it onto a title or a piece of canvas. So in the end, that didn't really matter. So I did that one. I did that one. That one. And this one. Now, this one I was going for something totally different. So again, I'm learning alcohol inks, but I have to say, I love them. I really do.